The motocross bike in the back of the pickup, and we're gonna go get dirty. I'm pretty excited. I haven't done a dirt episode on my channel in I think like 2 months. I've been doing those weekly recaps and been playing that motocross skills game a lot. So I've had some random videos and random playlist. Anyway, we're gonna go get dirty today, so it should be good. Unfortunately, we're not going to my favorite track, Aztec. We're gonna go hit up RAM for a buddy, and we'll have a good time. We got a little bit of snow last night, just like a dusting, so right now it's like 40 degrees outside. That's pretty chilly for me, but we're gonna go. Hopefully the snow will melt, and that'll just make the dirt nice and soft and tacky. At least that's my hope.
guys got a nice setup, man.
Oh yes, man. He's a professional photographer, man.
It looks like it.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is.
Oh, you look professional jumping.
Old guy professional.
Oh, you do?
Sorry, I distracted you.
That's okay. Don't worry. Just trying to get some pictures content.
Hey, can I put you guys in my YouTube video?
Yeah, yeah.
It's youtube.com. You go /monkey butt, all one word.
Monkey bite?
Monkey butt, B-U-T-T.
Monkey butt.
Yeah, that's my channel.
Well, we're gonna get a channel. It's gonna be called Life Behind Bars.
Sorry, what?
Life Behind Bars.
Life Behind Bars. Cool, I dig it. That's a good name.
That's a good name.
Man, I've got to do better at bringing my spam cards with me.
All right, excuse me. All right, guys, I'm done riding. I think we did about 3.5 sessions. I got pretty tired that last session, so I just kind of called it quits. So I didn't wad myself up and get hurt, which is what usually happens when I get tired and I keep on riding. So we're heading home, and I'm looking forward to rehydrating, eating some food, and quite honestly taking a nap. I'm gonna do a video at the track again, riding motocross, but I'm gonna do something I did a long time ago, like probably about 10 years ago. When I was racing in Arizona, I wore a heart rate monitor, and I wore the same monitor at home at rest, just lounging on the couch watching some TV, and then I wore it out doing some cardio training on the road bike. Not the motorcycle, bicycle, pedal power, you know. And then I wore that same heart rate monitor in a race. I did 2 motos in one of my classes. The first moto, the heart rate monitor showed me over 190. And then the second moto, it kind of blew my mind. I actually went over 200, only by like a beat or two, like I think 202, 201, something like that. And anyway, it kind of really blew my mind to see my heart rate get that high. And I realized then that part of the challenge is to actually keep your heart rate lower. I mean, you don't want to run your heart rate that high. You're just gonna get burned out. You're not gonna make it through the whole moto, or at least the whole race day. So, I don't know, I think that's interesting. A lot of people think that because we have engines and all we gotta do is twist the throttle, it's so easy. And then the bikes, they have so much suspension travel. They, you know, people get this impression that it's like riding on a cloud and you don't have to do anything because you got a motor and you just twist the throttle. And that is such baloney. I wanted to use a different word there, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna try to keep this video clean. But it just, nothing could be further from the truth. So that's why your heart rates get so high, because you're actually working your butt off. When you come out of a turn and you twist the throttle and that 50 horsepower hooks up, and that bike only weighs a couple 100 pounds, and it just wants to rip your arms right out of your sockets. And when the track gets really rough, that bike is just beating you up the whole time. And so it's a crazy cardiovascular workout, and a lot of people don't realize it. So I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it sooner rather than later. So hopefully in, I don't know, the next month, we'll see what the weather should be getting warmer, at least warmer more consistently. And I hope to get that video knocked out pretty soon. It should be interesting. So keep checking back at the channel, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload the next video. And keep the rubber side down. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.